Get out your flashcards, get out your pen, and screenshot the textbook definition. The Financial Accounting Standards Board. Okay, the FASB is an independent entity that essentially creates the accounting rules. Okay, what do you mean by accounting rules? The objectives of financial reporting, desired characteristics of accounting information such as relevance, reliability, and understandability, elements of financial statements, criteria for deciding what information to include in financial statements, and valuation concepts related to financial statement amounts. Now, that is a lot to unpack today, so I'm going to give you a very broad overview because you're just starting to learn accounting. So the FASB has these set of rules that you follow. So when you're comparing publicly traded companies' financial statements, it's easy to compare one statement to the other. Okay, you're like, Casey, what do you mean? So you downloaded the company ULTA Beauty. You downloaded their financial statements, and then you downloaded Sephora's financial statements, and you can see that they're very similar. Now, of course, the company will have different line items on their balance sheet or income statement, but essentially, you're going to be able to compare the two with ease. You're going to see cash on one, and you're going to see cash on the other. You're going to notice the unit of metric that it was recorded in, so you'll easily be able to make informed decisions on what products you want to buy or what companies you want to invest in. I just want to reiterate, the FASB is part of the private sector of the economy. The FASB is a non-governmental agency. The development of accounting principles in the United States traditionally has been carried out in the private sector, although the government, acting through the SEC, exercises considerable influence. What does that mean? The FASB and the SEC work together, or the FASB develops an accounting rule and the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, make sure that that rule has been followed. So the SEC is the enforcer. Think of it as when you're preparing the financial statements, that's you, and your boss is the SEC, making sure you did it right.